So I got this energy drink. I got an email asking if I would do a taste testing for Key, which is, it's power the mouth, and then it says get in my mouth. I'm like, really, guys? I think that's so silly. But anyways.
Powering the mouth and get in my mouth.
Here's all the information about it. So it's like, thanks for putting in the work for us. It means a lot, and that's really nice of them that they send a little card. Here's the information about it. So caring for your teeth and mouth midday can be tough, especially on the go. So these are supposed to be drinks that you can have that are good for your mouth, keep your teeth clean. It's made in the USA, and then it says here that it's non-GMO, vegan, low glycemic, gluten-free, and soy-free. And then they sent me 2 flavors to try out. Maybe Mr. Candy can come in and try the other flavor with me.
For sure.
So they gave us a lemongrass ginger green tea oral care, and then consume after a meal to promote healthy teeth is what it says on these. And then I got this classic oolong tea. So they're the same size as normal energy drinks. These are pretty cool, I think. But anyways, and I like the bottles. They look really nice. So we're gonna just take this away. And then, which one would you like to try?
Doesn't matter, whichever one you don't.
I guess we could try both of them. Okay. I'm gonna just open up both of them. In a minute, I'll talk about that, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna first try the green tea lemongrass one.
But before Candace tries the green tea lemongrass, first a word from our sponsor, Key Energy Drink. Not only does it clean your mouth midday, it also tastes delicious. How does it taste, Candy?
Okay, so it's not very sweet. I can really taste the ginger. Yeah, it tastes like, to me it just tastes like regular, like a very gingery green tea.
Cool.
And it's not carbonated either, which I like because I'm not a big fan of carbonated drinks, so I'm gonna also try the oolong. Okay, I think I like the oolong more just because I like the flavor of oolong, but I like both. The oolong I like a little bit more. It's just more of a clean, more mild flavor, I guess I would say, but Mr. Candy's gonna try them too, and then he'll get back to us.
Darn right.
Here, honey. I want right away. I'm recording.
Oh, do I not?
I am recording. Oh no, you have to come over here if you want to get a camera on you. Did you want to come in?
Sure, I'll come in.
All right, Mr. Candy's gonna take it for a minute. Were you supposed to shake them? Let me read one of them. I don't think so.
Consume after a meal to promote healthy teeth. So
No, there's no shaking.
here's the exciting thing for me is I just had breakfast. So I'm gonna drink these suckers and I'm gonna let you know how it feels on my teeth. Oh, it's actually quite nice. You're expecting, just because
It says a dietary supplement is what these are called even. There's nothing
I'm
on
sure
it.
they need some interesting naming conventions.
Mr. Candy, hi!
But yeah, hi everybody. I gotta say, it's nice because it's not too sweet. It's like just kind of slightly flavored.
Keep in mind, everyone can see this one too. But I guess I could change it to just like this.
A slightly flavored beverage. Most. Have a drink on us.
Have a drink.
What am I drinking here? I'm drinking the lemongrass ginger green tea. I give that a big fat thumbs up. It tastes good. Classic oolong tea, also nice.
Which one do you like more?
I honestly like the lemongrass ginger green tea a little bit more.
Does Mr. Candy have... Hold on. Let's see.
Blue
eyes.
I
Yes,
do.
he does. How did you pick
I
that
do.
up, Josh? That's crazy.
I can't even see the screen without my glasses, clearly.
Clearly.
I can see it, but not well.
Not well.
But yeah, and just in terms of the fact that they're promoting oral care, and
that's so
it's an oral care beverage.
I think it's really interesting that they do that, because I'm just really surprised, because I've never had an energy drink that's cared about your teeth before.
And I was gonna say, especially with
Let's take that down.
with just eating, my teeth honestly do feel
do they
a
feel
little
cleaner?
bit nicer, yeah.
Because I've already brushed my teeth, so Mr. Candy hasn't brushed his teeth yet for the day because he just ate breakfast, so he hasn't. You wouldn't have been able to. I like the oolong one more, to tell you the truth. Oh goodness, that's so funny. But anyways, yeah. Now you can. Now we've
done our review.
We've done our review.
We give it a big giant thumbs up.
Just don't expect something sweet, because I expected something sweet off the bat, but it
Which,
doesn't make
to
any
me
sense.
is really nice.
But it doesn't make any sense for it to be sweet, but also it was something I kind of expected, so.
Yeah,
but
like zero
it's very
grams
clean.
sugar.
It's very clean and fresh.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like having like, especially the oolong one. It's like having oolong tea.
Mm-hmm.
Your Meshy's here.
Hey, your Meshy.
Hey, Candy. Hey, Mr. Candy.
We're
I've never really noticed because of my awful PC. Your stream looks really good. Oh, really, Josh? Thanks.
Oh, well, thank you.
But anyways, on that wonderful note, I think we've done our due diligence.
Yeah.
With this.
Candy, do you give it a giant thumbs up?
I do. I actually really like it. I doubt we're gonna be able to buy it here in Canada, but definitely check it out if you guys in the U.S., because this is a U.S. brand. Represent your
get healthy, happy teeth.
But I just like the fact that it's made in the USA, because there's not enough products that are made like in country. So to me, it's a big deal.